Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your grill on the 7-gen Nissan Maxima 2009-2014. Now, there's nothing wrong with my grill. I just wanted to switch over to the 7-gen Nissan Maxima 2014, 13 and up, so 14. Grill, where is the part number? You see what I mean in a minute. So part number for this one is 620709DA0A. And like I said, this is the 2013 to 2014 Nissan Maxima grill. This is an aftermarket one. I'm doing, if you've been following the channel, I've been doing some cosmetic changes finally. So I got the windows tinted. I put the logo and the 4-door sports car stickers back on. I made those and put it on. So all you're gonna need is a 10 mil with a swivel, a pry tool, and that's pretty much it. So, and of course, if you got like a gravel driveway or whatever, just lay some cardboard down because we just tilting the bumper forward. And I got some more changes I'll be doing. I'm finally gonna be doing some changes for this year. So, pop the hood. So we are going to pop off 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll get that in a minute. And then if we go to the side, there's a 10 mil right behind the splash guard. Just try to get behind it. Let me switch hands. Pull this back, and that exposes the 10 mil right here. So that's why I'm gonna use a swivel, and then we're gonna take that out. Same thing on the passenger. Next, we're gonna pull the sides out. Do that on both sides. And then we carefully go and lean it forward. And I forgot to mention, there's supposed to be a bracket here. I don't have it. I do have it, but it's not on the car because this bumper is going to be going to the 2014. And I got a brand new bumper that's going to be coming this week. So the new bumper is going to be going to here. So since the new bumper from my friends over at Bumpers That Deliver, which was a major sponsor and hope for this vehicle, that's where I'm getting the new painted bumper from. But to proceed with this, next, all these little tabs you see, just push down and push forward, and you want to repeat it all along through the top. So it's 1, 2, 3. Oh, that one's broken. 4, 5, 6. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I don't got nowhere to set the camera, so I'm gonna do that and be right back. All right, last one. So this one's out. This one will be going onto this Maxima. And like I said, there's nothing wrong with this. And then now that we got that out, for this step, you could either go ahead and put the grill in, or you could put everything back together and then put the grill, because there's nothing else you got to do on the backside. So this part is going to be completely up to you. I'm going to put everything back together, and then we'll unbox this and put the new grill in. Forgot to show y'all too. So this little slit that you see underneath the headlight, a piece of the bumper goes right in between there and then pushes in. So I'm gonna put the terminals back in, and then we'll put the grommets up front, and then we'll put this grill back in. All right, so now we're gonna put the grommets back in. And it's easy, just make sure everything line up and then just push it down. Alright, so time to unbox the new grill. And I got this for a steal because at the Nissan dealership, this is upwards towards $600. And if you get the dark charcoal gray for the sport model, that's upwards towards $800. I got the regular one off of eBay, brand new from a Nissan dealership liquidator. Pretty much overstock parts, they sell it for cheaper. So I was able to get this brand new for only 250 bucks for free shipping, brand new. So this is the grill that's gonna go on here. So it's pretty much straightforward. Just put line all of these up, the corresponding slits, and just push inwards. And voila. That's how you replace your grill, upper grill on the 7th Gen Nissan Maxima 2009-2014. That is it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.